If you are non-native English speaker, this is the method that how to approach the English entrance exam for the transcription job. This method will save you a lot of time compared to the normal way that you listen and write the script from audio files. And this method is easy and never ever complicated at all. Hi, my name is Peter Park. I'm here to prove whether the online side hustle method is really working or not. I start to challenge a transcription job because the process looks simple and easy. For example, you get a task and you finish it and you will earn money. Second, flexibility. When you have a spare time, you can start to work based on Wi-Fi or internet connection. Lastly, it is very important that there's no skill, no experience required, which is good. Before I go to the English entrance exam, I can recommend you to set up two different tools that help your work. First, Audio Downloader Prime. If you are using Chrome web browser, you can go to the Google and search Audio Downloader Prime, and you can set up as an extension. Second, using text transcription apps or services. There are a number of text transcription apps or services that you can use. Today, I'm going to introduce Otter AI that I use normally for transcription work. Otter AI is basically a transcription tool that you can use. You can take note of conversations or meetings. Otter AI can capture audio text that will save your time. How to use it? You upload the audio file and Otter AI will capture the audio text. After that, it will show you what it looks like. It's very simple. However, if there is upside, then also there is downside. Once Otter AI makes it work, there is tiny issue inside, which means you have to fix the tiny issues. I can say nothing is perfect, so you have to fix, and later on you submit or upload for the transcription work, then we'll be fine. So what website am I going to try? I'm going to try again GoTranscript.com. If you wonder my previous story, you can click on this. I think maybe this. I will share a link here. Have a look about GoTranscript.com. I hope I can pass it. I think it won't be same as before. Let's see. Okay, it's been a while since I last take a test. Yeah, so I feel a bit nervous, but let's have a look. English again.
This audio is used for the transcriber test.
Okay, so this is my second time to try. Just issues like that. Okay, I cannot share about the file, so anyway, I'm going to use the Otter AI and also Audio Downloader Prime. So once I hear here up there's the audio file already ready. So I download it. Okay, there's another way. Oh, okay, there's also download file. Current transcriber test. So Okay, it takes a bit time. I have to wait. It's processing. I hope to pass. I think GoTranscript.com in terms of test, it's not as complicated as other websites too. The process is very simple, right? So I personally like it. Still processing. Okay, it shows ready, which means it won't be so long, 2 minutes and 45. Okay, so this video is gonna be a bit speed up and you enjoy my work. I'm done with all submitting, so all I have to do is to wait for their answer. It has been a month since I challenged myself to do a transcription job. You are probably wondering how much I earn money from transcription work. I've passed 2 websites for transcription job. The one is Casting World, the second is append.com. The total I earn is less than $1. It's so small. I think the main reason that I earn so small amount of money is because I failed to pass a major transcription website such as GoTranscript.com, Rev.com, Transcribe Me. If I pass a major website about transcription job, there are more opportunities to earn money, so I have to try again. Today's video is about I introduced 2 different tools that are very useful for transcription work. The first one is Audio Downloader Prime, and the second one is Otter AI that takes note from audio files. I did again for GoTranscript.com. Everything's done. I have to wait. I hope to pass this test, entrance exam test. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and next time I'm going to share more useful information for you. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And I see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.